Hi guys, I hope and pray that this message finds you well. I wanted to just send out a short video to say goodbye. I hope to see you all soon. Please know that I will be submitting final grades for semester 2 tomorrow, Wednesday the 27th. So if you're still hanging on to something that you were missing or you want to improve your grade, tomorrow is the deadline for that, and then grades will be officially submitted. I hope that you guys all had checkout, that you went in, checked in your stuff, and that went smoothly for you. I miss you all. I've been missing you all. I will miss you all during the summer. I hope that you can take some things, hopefully a lot of things from my class, and use them next year. I hope you guys have a great summer. Even though we're in the midst of all of these weird circumstances, it has been a very, very weird end to this school year. You guys are in the middle of a historical event, and I hope that you find the time to be thankful every day, even in all of this, and to have joy, because you can choose to be joyful even in the worst of circumstances. I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are all going to stay safe and healthy during this time. I cannot wait to be able to see you all again, and if you have any questions over the summer, feel free to ask. So have an amazing break, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye!